All right, so here we are in the Game Station frying pan. I'm going to walk you through how to submit an assignment for this. Hopefully it will let me from my screen. I'm in a student view, so hopefully this will help you. Um, right here is your video that you watched. So you should have watched this, as well as you can click here to get your assignment to submit it, or you can click right on this frying pan. Right? And that's going to take you to where you can submit. Right here, you can also use this document and just change the name to have your name in front of it if you want. That will be helpful. And it's just already put together for you so that you can, tells you what you need to do. You put your name, class, your 5 things that you that came to mind while you were watching it, what it made you think about, your impressions. All right. So to go back, okay. And over here, you're going to see a submissions. I don't think it lets me because I can't submit for a student. So let me find another. Okay, here we go. I pulled up actually one of my daughter's Schoology accounts so that I can show you what happens. Obviously, this is not your guys' assignment, although it does look really fun. But it's going to look the same. So you'll have your assignment right here, and then the submit assignment is going to happen right there. When you go to submit assignment, it's going to load, loading. Wait, this actually works. Okay, and you're going to have this submit assignment box. Right here, this is where you would attach a file if you wrote your files, and you could then pick a file from somewhere. Okay. Now, if you don't have a file to upload, what you want to go is to go to create. Then you can write right in the box and then submit it from here. And that allows you to not have to upload. If you go to upload here and you try to submit when it's under upload, it's going to say, oh, you must upload at least one file, which meaning it wants you to attach a file. But if you don't have a file to attach, you go to create. And this is where you would type in. And this is going to also work on a couple of the other assignments that we have. I believe the first aid kit is one of them. No, the one where you do the ed puzzle. This one also would come in handy for that. But yeah, so hopefully that helps you to understand better how that